If you've ever struggled to make sense of your link performance, drawbacks might just be what you're looking for, but does it truly deliver on its promises? Let's dive into what this link tracking tool offers and whether it's worth your time. drawbacks is designed to simplify link tracking, allowing users to create short links and monitor their performance effortlessly. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who want a straightforward experience. You can customize your links, which adds a nice touch for branding purposes. What stands out is the real-time analytics feature. You can see how many clicks your links are getting, where those clicks are coming from, and even the devices being used. This is super useful for marketers and anyone looking to optimize their online presence. However, I did notice some areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, while the basic features are solid, advanced users might find the analytics a bit surface level. I also didn't come across much information regarding integrations with other tools, which could be a deal breaker for some. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, drawbacks is incredibly easy to use, making it accessible for beginners. The customization options for links are also a strong point, and the real-time analytics can help you make informed decisions quickly. On the downside, there are some frustrations. The analytics, while useful, lack depth for those who need more detailed insights. Additionally, I found the pricing to be a bit unclear, with limited information on what you get at different tiers. Finally, if you rely heavily on integrations with other tools, you might want to look elsewhere for a more robust solution. In conclusion, drawbacks is a solid choice for those who need a simple, effective link tracking tool. If you're just starting out or need basic functionality, it's worth a try. However, if you're looking for advanced analytics or extensive integrations, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it feels trustworthy, but it's not without its limitations.